Hello everyone, welcome to our cell phone world. Today I will introduce you this Vertu mobile phone. You see from this beautiful case, we will see the appearance of this mobile phone Vertu. Here is, you can see from the front, here is the logo of Vertu, and this part is made of China. And also you can see the color of the side is rose golden. If you like the color of rose, also the color of golden is very suitable for you. And here there are diamonds surrounding by the both sides, and you can see from the back cover here are very special material matter of this for this logo, and the back cover is made of very special leather. Here this two side got two loudspeaker, and here there is a lock. The phone got a special key to open the back cover. I will show the key to you later. And okay, here you can put a USB cable, and this is the key you need to power on all of the phone. And that's all the appearance of this mobile phone. Okay, then I'll show you the other accessories of this mobile phone. Here you will get two batteries, one charger, one earphone, and also you will get a USB cable to download games or the other things from the internet. Okay, then I will show you how to use this mobile phone. First, you will see the phone got a very special key to open the back cover like this. It is very simple to open the back cover. And then here it is market about the model. It is Constellation. So then we will put SM card into the phone. Okay, like this. And then put a battery into the phone. And close the back cover. Okay, then press this special key to power on the mobile phone. Okay, you will see the logo of Vertu. Here is a very special screen protector of this mobile phone. It is a watch, and then press this button to get to the menu. Okay, here is all the function of this mobile phone. We got messages, SMS, you can send a message to a friend or family, chat, MMS, and broadcast messages also available. GPS counter, you will get to know how many GPS you have downloaded from the internet. Here is call history, you will get the name from or who have called you before. And also here is user profile. You can set your own profiles, and also there are several profiles for you to use. And Bluetooth is also available for this Vertu mobile phone. Okay, got phone book. You have saved the name of your friends, also file manager. Here you can get to know the phone got 1 GM memory. So settings, you will have to set your own language before you use the mobile phone. Here we already set the phone with English language. Okay, time and date you need to set, and data connection, call setup, phone setup. Okay. Material, multimedia, image, video player, application software. Here are 2 common games. And event manager, calculator, to-do list, alarm, health, stopwatch, e-book reader is also available. You can read the book from this phone. The phone is very special with the diamond surrounded on both sides, so if you want to buy this phone, please log on to our website to get one. Okay, bye bye, see you next time.